Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how we can edit horizontal line in TradeTiger. So let's go and do that. Now, okay, so I'm right now here in Bitcoin USD. Uh, okay, but we can stay here. It doesn't matter that we can buy. Now look at the chart, and at the right side of the chart you will see next to M, Q, and Y, you will see this weird circle with circle inside. So these are the settings which we can tap in. Now, right over here, you can see what you can choose. So we will select draw. And right here at the trend line, you will see trend line, horizontal line, vertical line. So click on horizontal line. And now we will place this line somewhere in our chart. And right below here, what that you see what I'm moving now. Here we can play with this horizontal line a little bit. So we can change a color, for example. So I will go with this one. We have line style, so width and style. So I can change the width and I also can change the style. So something like that, as you can see. Now I can also lock this. Under the settings, I can more precisely set the price where this horizontal line will be selected, where will be placed, sorry. And that's basically it, what you can do here. And then also you can delete this line. So I locked this horizontal line so that I can't move, as you can see. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can edit horizontal line. The same way is with vertical line. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.